Hello, in this tutorial I show you other alternative to say me too or same to you. At the end of this video I will avoid just 2 terms should be avoided. Different ways to say me too. There are some response I use when someone says nice to meet you. For example, it is nice to meet you. You can respond by likewise, because likewise is more formal and it means me too in this context. Next, have a good day or have a nice day. You can respond by 3 different ways. The first is have a nice one. The second, have a good day as well. And finally the third is best to you as well. Next, nice to talk to you. You can respond by it was my pleasure. We must doing it again soon. Next, it was a pleasure to meet you. You can respond by I assure you the pleasure was all mine. And this is a special one for the woman. Miss Job says, it was nice to meet you. So I respond by, it is my pleasure, Miss Job. This kind of response is like you were telling thank you to Miss Job. Now, you will ask me if it is prohibited to say me too or same to you. The answer is no, just because just 2 expressions are overused. They do not give a powerful impact concerning your interlocutor. You can use another expression to make the difference. Y'all know the detail make the difference between an exceptional conversation and a good one. I'm telling you, the best way to progress is to do everything for being exceptional. This video is now ended. If you like it, don't forget to subscribe. See you soon.